Hey guys, Brian here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you what I would be doing if I just only had 2,000 bucks in my portfolio. And the reason why I'm showing this is because if you watch all my other videos, I've made over $100,000 this year just by selling options, selling cash secured puts and covered calls. Not hard to do. I'm doing it with a little bit over a $275,000 portfolio, and I've been generating anywhere from recently 15 to 25K a month doing this. And everyone always asks me in the free Discord, and people even ask me in the paid Discord, the premium side, what would I do with like $2,000? Is that worth starting? And I think it is worth starting because you could significantly make more and more money doing this, collecting more and more income doing this, while of course adding more of your own money into the account will only help this grow even faster and faster. And once you get to like a 50-ish K, that's when you start making some like big boy money. So let's just jump into two stocks that I personally use with under 2K, and it's Riot and QuantumScape. Really easy stuff here. So this is Riot Platforms. It's a like a Bitcoin mining company. So if you want to look at it, it's like, yeah, Bitcoin mining. It engages in the provision of special cryptocurrency mining computers and all that. I've been in this on and off for the last few years. All you got to do, trade options, and what we'd want to be at is if we just had $2,000, that's all. You always want to be on the sell side. And if you only have the cash, you want to be on the put side, because that means you're putting up your cash as collateral. So if you have $2,000, that means you could be anywhere from $20 and below. But because you're selling a put, you want to choose a strike price below the current strike price, so you could get the stock at a quote unquote discount. So what I personally would do is, if you want to do this weekly, you could do sell put, and then I would probably choose like if you're just starting off, I'd find a delta that's around 25 to 20. So that's 12. So 16 is right at 20, like 19%. That's delta. Percentage chance that the stock will drop down to that price, 19%. So you'll only get paid $18. How do I understand that? This right here, this bid price is 0.18. You times that by 100 because a contract is 100 shares. And so that's what you need to have to do options, 100 shares if you want to sell options, 100 shares or 100 shares worth of cash. So you get paid 18 bucks to do this. You get paid 18 bucks to put out this contract for Friday. So if you want to just do the calculator, 18, there's 52 weeks in a year, you get paid 936 bucks potentially over the year if you're able to get just 18 bucks a week. And if you want to divide that by the 2,000, you just made 46% on your money on the year. Super simple. And that's just on the cash secured put side. So say you already had the 100 shares, right? Like say you just got assigned the 100 shares, you'd be on the sell call side. Say you have to buy it right at 17. And now you could choose any of these to make money. So now that you're already above what you were assigned it at 17, now it's 17.39, you could pretty much just want to be on the cash side very quickly. You could choose 17.5 or 18, and you'd get the difference of 50 cents to $1 of appreciation if the share price goes past 17.5 or 18. And you'll still also get paid either 62 bucks for the 17.5 contract or $42 for the 18 contract. And then if you're able to do that, just to say you're able to stick with that for 52 weeks, like getting 42 bucks for 52 weeks, you're making 2,184. And now you just made 100% on your money if you're able to get 42 bucks a week. And it's that simple. And you could use, like, Riot is a little bit more volatile because it's crypto and all that. QuantumScape is batteries, solid state batteries, which I personally very bullish on. So you could do the same thing. 1 week out, you would choose a strike price below the 1630. You'd go down to a 20 delta, so probably like this. 15 probably, yeah, 23. You get paid $29 per contract. So say you're able to get that $29 per contract for 52 weeks. You just made 1,500 bucks divided by your 2,000. You made 75% on your money. And obviously, this is just if you're able to make that money over and over again, because obviously the premiums over time go up and down, and sometimes you'll get more, sometimes you'll get less, and depending on how the stock moves and the volatility, you'll get a lot more. This is just a very simple way of starting off the wheel strategy on the cash secured put side. And then if you get the shares, then you could start making a little bit more money on the appreciation side, as well as getting paid to put out the contract. So you're gonna get assigned the 100 shares, just for everyone that's, if I'm speaking too quickly. Now you're using the 100 shares as collateral, and then you'll be, if the strike price goes past it, you'll capture the appreciation, but you'll always get paid the premium. And that's exactly what I've been doing to grow my portfolio to right under 300K. Right now it's sitting at like 280 something. And I do believe by the time January rolls around and it's November 10th, I should be right at 300K once a lot of things expire worthless. And if there is a Santa rally where there usually is like a big run up in December, that's the plan. And hopefully this was a learning experience for a lot of other people. Let me know what other stocks you want me to look into, what other monetary places where you guys are at. So like what I would do with like 5K or 10K or 20K. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Check out the free Discord. Check out the courses if you don't know how to do this. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. Peace.